afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, class.
Ma'am, you know Milkha Singh died.
I know, beta. Morning only I saw this news. It was so heartbreaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I know, beta. I know. But this is the law of nature. What to do?
Ma'am, I think this is the worst thing that nature has made, that one which has taken birth had to die.
Exactly. Exactly. I
Good
completely.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. This is our geography period, but we will continue with history, right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Haan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please confirm all the flowcharts of first chapter as there is confusion?
First chapter flowcharts. There is confusion. Okay, let me just tell you about it.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
Leo.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. Flowcharts, no? Wait. Okay. I think there are, in first chapter, there are 9 flowcharts. Right? Right, class?
How many?
Ma'am,
but we don't have all of them.
How many of those you have done? Tell me.
Ma'am, you gave us 3 last time when you were giving us some.
They were mixed. Like you gave us, I think, flowchart number 3 and then 7 and 8, like that.
Yes,
Not in
ma'am.
order.
3 was France becomes a constitutional monarchy. This one?
No, ma'am. Women revolution you had given and triangle one you have given.
Mm,
And one was of directory rule. Only 3 you have given.
okay, fine. So I think I gave you revolution and everyday life, then triangle slave trade, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then abolition of at slavery. Abolition at slavery I gave you,
Yes, ma'am, you did.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tell me, would you like to continue with the flowcharts only, or you want me to continue with the chapter?
Ma'am, chapter.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please
flowchart.
explain the
chapter.
Flowcharts.
flowcharts.
Flowchart.
Okay, let us.
Ma'am, chapter.
Wait. Okay, let us go for voting. Those who want flowcharts, raise your hands over here with that icon so that I can count how many have raised.
Ma'am, minority is with flowchart.
Huh? Okay, we have 13 students with yes and 12 with no. So majority wins.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are
No,
of
ma'am.
2 votes. Ma'am, so you decide.
मैम ये तो minorities के खिलाफ हुआ. अच्छा ये minorities के खिलाफ हुआ, किसने कह दिया भाई minorities के खिलाफ हुआ? वोटिंग हो रही है, बकायदा वोटिंग हो रही है भाई.
मैम काश कोई एक डिस्कनेक्टेड हो जाए मैम जिसने हैंड रेज किया हुआ है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होगा. Okay.
Ma'am, I think they are equal.
Now 14 are there. Now 14 are there. Earlier 13 were there. Now 14 are there for the flow charts. So tell me, reading.
Majority wins.
We will continue with flow.
We'll continue.
No, ma'am.
Listen.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
ma'am.
same thing
No,
happened in
ma'am.
Sri Lanka.
Same thing.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, chapter.
Acha. Okay. You remember?
Ma'am, that
Then
is
we
not
can take
democracy.
the screenshots. Then you can just show them to us, and we can take the screenshots. Then
Yes.
we can continue with the chat.
Yes, I was coming to that only, that I'll share the screen with you people. You take the screenshots and let me know, and we'll continue
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
chapter. Right? That
Yes,
is
Ma'am,
better.
can you show all the flowcharts once again of chapter number 1?
Yes. Chapter 1, all the flowcharts I'll be sharing, or of the chapter 4 also I'll share. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, you sharing the flowcharts.
Yes. I'm sharing the flowcharts here. Right? Fine.
Ma'am, these flowcharts you are giving us for understanding the chapter, so they can be asked to drawn.
See, I am giving it to you. I am giving it to you for the better understanding of the answers and of the topics, right? But I may give you any one of it, because most of the flowcharts that you have, or which I have given to you, they are part of answers also. So I may frame a question and give it to you.
Ma'am, question now, ma'am, you will not ask the flowchart banao that.
No. Mean flowchart पे based questions I will give you. So if you
Okay.
have the flowchart with you, it will be easy for you to go for the answers.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I was only
Yes.
asking that will you ask
Ma-
to make a flowchart or not?
But flowcharts are important because they are part of the answers that are there, right? Yes, Saksham, you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't understand. Ma'am, I can't understand
Hmm.
the first part of the rise of commercial forestry. Ma'am, the flowchart, first part.
Rise of commercial forestry. Let me. Acha,
Ma'am,
wait.
it's a
Let me.
flowchart.
Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. No, not this one. What we are doing is, okay, class, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the, beta, this is the first flowchart of the first chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
wait.
Okay, waiting.
Ma'am, take it.
Ma'am, you know where to take screenshots in laptop?
बेटा लैपटॉप में
और
मेरे उसमें प्रिंट PRTSC लिखा है, प्रिंट स्क्रीन, उसको आप प्रेस करोगे तो यू विल गेट द स्क्रीनशॉट. आपके उसमें कैसे आता होगा मुझे मालूम नहीं, आपके उसमें भी अगर
Ma'am, Alt plus Windows plus S screenshot.
अच्छा, Alt plus Windows plus S, ठीक है, ये तो बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है मेरे लिए, बट ये ज्यादा
ma'am,
बेटर
window
है.
plus print screen.
हाँ,
Window plus print screen.
हाँ, I have the option of print screen, so I click on that and I take the screenshot, right? चलिए, shall I change now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes.
Coming to the next. Wait.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, this one is the second.
No. This is not the second one. This is the second one.
Ma'am, outbreak of the revolution.
Yes, the outbreak of the revolution, second and third. Second and third you take. Fourth one again I'll enlarge it and I'll take. Okay. I'll share. Sorry.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay.
Ma'am, taken.
1 minute, ma'am.
Which one? Second one you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second one you take.
I'm taken.
Now you can take third and fourth collectively.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
taken. Ma'am, taken.
Taken?
Taken.
Okay. Now next one. Now this is fifth and the sixth one. Taken?
Ma'am, take.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am,
All-
taken.
Please wait.
Okay, waiting.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, taken.
Fine. Now this is the seventh one.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay.
Ma'am, taken.
ओहो, गड़बड़ हो गया. Now this is the eighth and the ninth one.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, taken. Taken.
Ma'am, please show the one before this.
Huh?
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the one before
Ma'am,
this.
please show the 8th and 9th one.
Eighth and ninth one. अभी रुको राधे, just a minute. Huh?
Ma'am, eighth one is that triangle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
taken.
Triangular slave trade.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, taken.
Generally, when this question comes, they simply ask you which all between which all continents the triangular slave trade was popular. Yes, sir.
Can you show the? Ma'am, can you show the?
Ma'am, please show the previous one once again.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am, third and fourth post.
I'll show again. Don't worry. Seventh one is this abolition of slavery.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Done. This is the second one. Second enlarged one. Then the third and the fourth one. Taken, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And next, this is fifth and sixth. Somebody wanted sixth and fifth and sixth also?
And ma'am, the first one. Ma'am, I didn't get a clear.
Okay, you didn't get a clear picture. No issues. This is the first one.
Ma'am, in total, how many are there?
Yes.
Ma'am, how many are there?
Total 9 are there. 1 to 9, all I have shared with you. Right?
Ma'am, I got to.
Now coming to the Forest Society chapter.
Ma'am, can you show the 9th one?
Ninth one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Saksham. But this is the
Ma'am,
ninth.
if we do the flow chart of chapter 1, ma'am, separately, like half much behind the chapter 4 and ma'am after the chapter 4, ma'am, is there a problem?
No, no problems. But then if you are doing it at one place, that will be easy for you also, for me also. What you can do is, you can take the printouts of the screenshot and you can stick them in the notebook of page size. So that way you will be saving.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna? Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Ways to save on our time, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how much flowcharts are there altogether?
How many are there? See, 9 for chapter 1 and I think 4 or 3 for chapter 4. 3 for chapter 4. For chapter 4 also, do I need to share?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sharing it. This is the third one of chapter 4. Copy it down.
Ma'am, taken.
Ma'am, taken.
Okay.
Nalini.
The first and the second one. And the first one is, I think, over here. Beta, this one and this one, they are one flow chart. Sorry, this one is the first flow chart of Forest Society and colonialism. Taken?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Taken? Arey. Wait. Now this is the second flow chart. This is one part of the second flow chart. Taken the screenshot?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the fourth part of the second flow chart.
Ma'am, taken.
Taken?
Ma'am, taken.
Taken.
I'm taken.
So both the chapters flow charts done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yes.
Ma'am, in the first chapter, ma'am, there are some symbols given. Ma'am, we have to draw them in the notebook, ma'am.
Beta, this is such a good answer you have, a question you have asked. I think in one of the classes that I took, I told you that the symbols that are there, you need to draw them.
Yes,
Didn't I tell you this?
Ma'am, you told.
I told you.
Ma'am, you told.
Right. And now see.
Ma'am, but the movements that are given, ma'am, how can we draw them, ma'am?
पिक्चर बना देना, पिक्चर स्टिक कर देना उसकी बेटा. वैसे तो सी आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, जितनी भी प्रीवियस क्लासेस हुई हैं सब में बच्चों ने ड्रॉ ही करे थे, बिकॉज बाय दिस टाइम हम लोग की ड्राइंग परफेक्ट हो जाती है. और जो ड्राइंग में बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, दे टेक हेल्प ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड्स और देयर भैया दीदीज और देयर मम्मा पापा. This is what you can do, but you can always take picture of that. I will not mind it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we can stick the photos of the two women and rest we can draw, ma'am.
Rest you can do.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Taran, please ask.
Ma'am, before maintaining the notebook, we have to stick the maps of Axis and Allies of World War, you told, in history notebook.
What you can do is, no, I never told you to stick them in the notebook. I always told you to do those maps because they are important maps of your history, because only 2 maps are there in history for the history, this thing. One world map and one is France, right? So that world map that you have to do, you have to mark the allies and the Axis countries, right? Plus for France, 4 places I gave you.
Yes,
ma'am.
Only those 4 places you have to mark, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming to one more point. See, last year, if you remember class 8th, you were given a project in the last.
Art integrated.
Yes.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
world maps
Ma'am,
are
yes,
beta,
ma'am.
beta, हाँ. World maps are for chapter 2 and chapter 3, Nazism and Russian Revolution.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Art integrated project was given to you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This year also you will get art integrated project, and this time you will not be given it in the last. You will be told as soon as I get an update from the principal or from the CBSE side, because these people, what do they do? Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, the project will be conducted before the UTs or after the UTs?
Beta, nothing before your UTs. Everything will be before your half yearlies. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be before your half
Yes,
yearlies.
ma'am.
You will be given sufficient time to prepare. Again, it will be an integrated project. I think, I don't know this year how you have to do. Most probably you have to prepare both ways, in the hard copy also, soft copy also. Like last year you prepared it only in the soft copy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
But
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
this year you have to do it both ways, hard and soft both, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the project part also I am clear. Then there are several activities that have been proposed by CBSE for every chapter that you have. So tell me, I want to conduct at least 2 activities and a proper recording would be taken. I will prior I'll tell you that I will be having this activity. You need to be prepared with those things that are required for the activity to be conducted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after your UTs are over, then only I'll be taking it, not before your UTs. As it is, you are burdened with lot many things. So in a very relaxed mind, you give your exams. And after that, just remind me that I have to go for that activity, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this time also teachers will create the group.
Of course, of course. Your groups will be made as per your roll numbers, because I go for that only. I don't believe in segregating, because CBSE says that roll number wise only you have to give the groups. Not
And ma'am, in the hard copy part, ma'am, will we have to write or type?
you
And
have,
then
that is completely your decision, whether you want to give it in typing or you want to handwrite it. Like just for example, I'm telling you, like last year when we did this art integrated project, every child had to prepare 1 page, like one page in, like suppose there is a group of 5 students, right? One child has to prepare something for the introduction part. One child has to prepare the second slide, which may be the detailing or a simple introduction of what project you are making. And one child, what?
Ma'am, each number, each subject.
No. There will be 5 subjects and each subject has a different group. For English, you have a separate group. I mean, groups will be the same, but in the subject-wise groups you will be having English, Hindi, Math, Social Science. 5 subjects, 5 groups. Sorry, computer also 6.
Ma'am, each group for different subjects.
No. Each group has to make all the 5 subjects.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to go for all the 5. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, all the 5 subjects, ma'am,
Means suppose I am your SST teacher, I will be giving you for social science, right? Then your maths teacher will be giving you for maths, English for English, Hindi teacher for Hindi.
Ma'am,
Science-
then one student will choose one subject like that, how it happened
no.
last year.
Last year you did it because the time was less. You were told quite late about the project part. But this year you have to go for all the 5 subjects. All the students have to prepare all the 5 subject project.
All right, ma'am.
It goes individually.
Ma'am, so, ma'am, but in the last project, ma'am, art integrated project also, ma'am, we have written on Maharashtra in, ma'am, different types of, ma'am, things of Maharashtra according to their subjects.
Like I'll tell you.
Ma'am, like
Whatever,
area of monuments in maths.
Area, exactly. Same way, this time also you will be given, but it is not necessary that it will be Maharashtra only. CBSE will tell us that which state we have to combine with. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, ma'am.
It is a very...
Ma'am, there will be marks will be for the rest.
Of course, marks are there for that is why, see, class 9, 10, 11, 12. These 4 classes, because these are completely CBSE based things are there. We follow strictly the norms that are given to us by CBSE in the academics. So we need to go by that. Whatever they have given to us, whatever they will convey to us, whatever messages we will get regarding the project part, the art integrated project, we have to go with that only. We cannot decide things on our own. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So for the project part, I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Activity also
Yes.
clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Utkarsh.
Yes.
When we will get the topic.
अभी बेटा अभी तो आप चिल करो, पहले अपने यूटीज दो. नहीं
Yes,
बेटा,
ma'am, and anyways, before the project, we'll be given information about it.
बेटा you will get complete. See, last year when the projects were given, students got more than a month to prepare. I think in 1 month and 5 subjects, it is completely fine, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, but there was a, ma'am, problem in communication.
That you will not have this time. Proper guidelines will be given to you. Everything set you will get, and you need to work according to that. Right? Because last time I believe that different people had different versions of what project you are doing. Right? But this time, am I not audible to you people?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am, you are audible.
This time the guidelines will be the same. There will be no, differences in the guidelines that are given to you. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
Yes,
ma'am, now also, ma'am, the groups will be formed on basis of the roll number.
Yes, on the basis of the roll numbers only you will be given the groups. Right? Right, class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, is it
Yes,
necessary
ma'am.
for it to be in roll number order?
Yes, it has to be like that only. Why? You don't want people who are, left, right, behind and upwards to you? Aradhya?
No, ma'am.
No? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. I know, because the sequence is the same and every time same partners you have to work with, right?
No, ma'am, actually last time many of the people were not responding, so I had to take more than one subject to do.
But then earlier
Yes, ma'am.
you were in a different section.
Yes,
now you are in a
ma'am.
different section.
And the same thing happened with me.
See, those who will not do their part, they will not be given marks. It is very clear. Because we cannot give credit of your work to somebody else. Why somebody else will take initiative or take advantage of what you are doing? Your efforts will not go in vain. You will be given, you will be awarded for what you are doing, and others, those who are not doing their part of thing, they will not be awarded for that. Very simple. Last year, 9th and 10th, we did the same thing. Nobody was given extra marks. Nobody was given advantage of anything. When something was assigned to a child, it is the responsibility of the child to do it. And where the people were not responding, where the students were not responding, they got 0 marks. Straight away 0. No marks were given to them, be it board class or a normal class. So for this, we are very
Ma'am,
yes.
last year, me and Shivansh Pal were responsible for everything. So there were few students who did not showed up in the activity.
So they were not
So
given.
our motive was that
Yes,
our motive was that the project should not look incomplete. So we have to do their part.
So those who did not submit their project, those who did not give their work, they were not given marks also. They didn't get any marks for that. Like for my subject, particularly, I did not give marks to any child who did not submit the project. I still have the records of class 8 with me. So I am very particular in this. I don't give advantage to anybody. Okay, for me, you all are the same. If you are doing your work, if you are showing your hard work, you get it. And if you are not doing it, no, what do you call? No,
marks.
No advantages. And there is one particular word that is used. No credit will be given.
Ma'am, in
yes.
Ma'am, in our group, ma'am, all were working. Ma'am, but there was a problem in timings. Ma'am, when I want to call, ma'am, then one of them refused, and ma'am, then they want to call, ma'am, another one refused.
So for that, see, we will, we'll be creating groups also for temporarily for the 1 month till the time we'll be doing this work. We'll form a group and we'll ensure that we'll fix a time that this particular time period, everyone has to be there on the group so that we can, whatever we have to, exchange of ideas and whatever we want to do, we can do that time. Right?
Ma'am, in our group, ma'am, we did online Zoom meeting and ma'am studied teacher and did the project.
I didn't get you what you are saying, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, I said that we did Zoom meeting.
We can always go for a Zoom meeting in a week, that so that everybody comes and we can share whatever we want to discuss, right?
Ma'am, we do that only, ma'am, but most of the students were having network issues.
वो तो चलो मैनेज हो जाएगा, वो देख लेंगे शाम के समय, तो we'll somehow they can manage, no? चलो, Abhishri is there in the class? No. Anokhi is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Anshika Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Anvesha?
Yes, ma'am.
Arihant Nigam? No. Arushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav is not there. Aryan Gangwar not there. Arjad Raza not there. Atharva Verma not there. Avantika Saxena, are you there, beta Avantika? No. Ayushi Nimesh, no. Bhavya Khandelwal, no. Gurleen Kaur? Is Gurleen there? No. Then Harshit Oberoi?
No, ma'am.
Himanshu Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Ishi Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Patel? Jivyansh Arora?
Present, ma'am.
Then Kartikeya Saxena, not there. Kavya Tripathi, not there. Khyati Agarwal? Not there. Kinjal? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Kumar, not there. Mihika Singh? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Parush Daksh? Yes.
Ma'am, Parush present.
Yes. Prachi? Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Pradyuman Prakhar? Pradyuman Prakhar are not there. Prashasti?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Purvi Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Aksham Sharma? Samriddhi Shukla? Shagun Mittal?
Ma'am, I'm present.
Saksham is present. Okay.
Ma'am, Shagun present.
Shagun present. Sambhavi Tiwari absent. Shashank Navodit absent. Shivansh Pal present. Shreya Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya Gupta absent. Shreya?
Ma'am, present.
Very good. Siddhi Mittal? Taran Jyot?
Present.
Taran Jyot?
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh? Mauli Mishra? Mauli Mishra? Vyom Saxena?
Present.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vyom Sharma present.
Present, ma'am.
Rudransh Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Yashika. Yashika is there? No. And Vishesh Raghuvanshi? No. Do we have Yashika in the class? No, we have not. Chalo, it is fine. Right. I think we are left with 4 minutes. In this 4 minutes, you tell me where did we stop the class last time? Which particular topic we were doing class? Hanji, Mika will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were we in the last class? Where did we stop?
Ma'am, we did who? Ma'am, we stopped. Ma'am, we completed who could hunt.
Acha.
Page number 87 we completed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who
Yes,
could
ma'am.
hunt? After that, which topic was there?
Ma'am, new traders, new employments, and new services.
Okay. You have the books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This particular topic tells you that how the tribals, those who were deprived of the hunting and the cultivation, how they had to switch to different other activities, right? And what problems they faced. Some of them forcefully were sent to the plantation working. Some of them, they were confined to the limited job that they had to practice in the forest regions. Like they were not ready to move to the plains, so perforce they had to stay there only, and they involved themselves with the traders, those who were trading in the forest products, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Ishi reading?
Ma'am, last 1 minute is left.
Last one will be
Ma'am, last 1 minute is left.
नहीं बेटा, अभी है 2.5 मिनट है, 2:30 मिनट, 2 minutes 30 seconds है. पढ़ो फटाफट से मीका.
Ma'am, you said Ishi.
Okay, sorry. Ishi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta, start reading.
While people lost out in many ways after the forest department took control of the forest, some people benefited from the new opportunities that had opened up in trade. Many communities left their traditional occupations and started trading in forest products. This happened not only in India but across the world. For example, with the growing demand for rubber in the mid 19th century, with the Mundrique peoples of the Brazilian Amazon who lived in villages on high ground and cultivated manioc began to collect latex from high ground and cultivated manioc. The latex from wild rubber trees for supplying to traders. Gradually, they descended to live in trading posts and became completely dependent on traders. Ma'am, next paragraph also.
Okay, yes, also you continue if you want to continue.
In India, the trade in forest product was not new. From the medieval period onwards, we have records of Adivasi communities trading elephants and other goods like hides, horns, silk cocoons, ivory, bamboo, spices, fibers, grasses, gums, and resins through nomadic communities like the Banjaras. With the coming of the British, however, trade was completely regulated by the government. The British government gave many large European trading firms the sole right to trade in the forest products of particular areas. Grazing and hunting by local people were restricted. In the process, many pastoralists and nomadic communities like Koraba, Karacha, Yerukula of the Madras Presidency lost their livelihoods. Some of them began to be called criminal tribes and were forced to work instead in factories, mines, and plantations under government supervision. New opportunities of work did not always mean improved well-being for the people. In Assam, both men and women from the forest communities like Santhals, Orans from Jharkhand and the Gonds from Chhattisgarh